Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Monese. Review my usage experience. Monese offers a mobile money account, primarily targeting expats, travelers, or anyone needing a convenient way to manage their finances across borders. It provides key features like multi-currency accounts, international money transfers, and a debit card. Essentially, it aims to be a modern, accessible banking alternative. Their website provides details on the different account tiers and pricing. Monese emphasizes ease of use, with a simple application process and a user-friendly mobile app. They promote transparent pricing, highlighting no hidden fees for basic transactions and no need for a local address or credit history to open an account. They compete with other digital banking services like Revolut and Wise, offering a similar suite of features. Availability depends on your region, and you can check their website to see if Monese operates where you live. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Monese. Getting started was incredibly smooth. I downloaded the app, filled out the required information, and verified my identity within minutes. The entire onboarding process was straightforward and intuitive. Navigating the app is a breeze. The dashboard clearly displays your account balances, transaction history, and available features. I found sending money to a friend in a different country remarkably easy. I just selected their contact, entered the amount, and the transfer was initiated within seconds. The exchange rate offered was competitive, and I received a notification when the money arrived. The performance of the app has been excellent. It's fast, reliable, and I haven't experienced any glitches or crashes. I did have a quick question about a specific transaction, and their support team responded within a few hours via email, providing a helpful and concise answer. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to easily track my spending across different currencies. The standout feature for me was definitely the speed and simplicity of international transfers. One minor drawback was the limited ATM withdrawal allowance on the free tier, which meant I had to be mindful of my cash withdrawals. It also took me a little while to get used to the different currency accounts and how to switch between them. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Monese. It's a convenient and user-friendly solution for managing my finances, especially when traveling or dealing with multiple currencies. That's my overview of Monese. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.